What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. If you haven't seen the last video, I caught my personal best flounder after the hurricane. I had such an awesome time out there. Wasn't expecting to catch that one, but it happened. I took that fish back to the fillet table, and I'm cooking it up the next day for an awesome recipe. I got some fried green tomatoes fresh from the garden, and I did a hollandaise sauce a few videos ago, but I'm doing a take on that. This is Béarnaise, so good. Frying the Fluke, crispy onions. Let's get started. So this is our garden we planted. We're gonna get some green tomatoes so we can fry them up. Take them to the kitchen. Alright, so we got everything ready here to cook with. Got the green tomatoes cut up, flour, egg, and there's our cornmeal mixture we'll be breading up with, cornmeal and flour. Then I got the stuff for the Béarnaise sauce, which is eggs, tarragon, shallot, little peppercorn, and white wine vinegar. Alright, so I've made hollandaise for Fluke before, and it's so good. This is pretty close to that, the Béarnaise sauce. It's going to start with the shallot I chopped right there, some peppercorns. And probably quarter cup white wine vinegar. Turn the gas on, reduce that until the vinegar is just a little bit left. Got a little bit of liquid left in there, and that's what we're looking for. And that's our reduction right there. I got my double boiler right there. Mara is helping me out with the tomatoes. And I got 2 egg yolks, and I'm gonna put a splash of that liquid that we made, the reduction, right on the double boiler. I'm gonna whisk that until the eggs start getting a little bit frothy. That's looking good. I got a stick and a half of unsalted butter here, chopped up. I'm going to start adding that a little bit at a time. If it gets too hot, you can lift it right up, like I'm doing right now. That is looking awesome, guys. We got most of our butter in here. Keep on adding more. I'm actually going to put the rest of that liquid in there. I'm going to keep whisking, and it's going to get thicker. Try my best to get some fresh oil in there. Just dusted those with some flour and cornmeal, and we're going to fry those up for garnish. Got our flounder, Fluke, right here, fresh caught. Going to season those up, and we're going to sear them. Sometimes if you have a small piece, the tail piece, I like to fold it over on the bottom here, and you could treat that like a regular piece. It'll sear up just fine. Wow. Onions are getting nice and crispy. Just gonna salt those when they come out. Oh man. Fluke is just about done. We're gonna start plating up. And the last thing that hollandaise needs is a little bit of that fresh tarragon that we chopped. right, let's start plating. Let's eat. I see a lot of empty plates. What does everybody think? Good?
I didn't really like it, but I'm gonna wrap this up and take the rest home.
Unbelievable, Mara.
Delicious.
Loved it. You guys gotta give this one a shot at home. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. I got the recipe in the description. I got some more trips planned in the future, so hopefully that means we catch more fish, and that means more recipes. If you guys like this video, definitely like it, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and send them out there, Mara.
Hit that subscribe button.
See you later, guys.